Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming where you'll add the pixel and grabbing the pixel ID and base snippet. Once confirmed, open the landing page in your editor or tag manager. Paste the base code into the head section so it loads early. This ensures page view tracking. Make sure to save a backup before changing live files. If you use a tag manager, create a new tag and set the pixel ID there. This makes later updates simpler and more centralized. Now you'll wire up event tracking to capture meaningful actions. Decide which actions matter, button clicks, form submits, or purchases, and add event calls with parameters like value and content type. If using a tag manager, push events to the data layer or create DOM trigger rules tied to selectors. Once implemented, use the provider's debugging tools and browser console to verify events fire. Make incremental changes and preview them. Publish your changes and monitor live events for at least 24 to 48 hours to confirm proper delivery. Look at the real-time dashboard and compare counts to expected traffic. If events don't appear, inspect the page with DevTools and a pixel helper. Verify the pixel ID, script loaded in the head, and that no ad blocker or CSB is blocking requests. If needed, move the code, correct typos, or adjust trigger selectors. One key tip: clear caches and test with an incognito window to avoid cached script issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.